What's going on, guys? Welcome along to yet another DSR giveaway. And this month's giveaway is going to be these NiceCNC universal pannier luggage. As you can see, I've got a full set. Now, disclaimer, as always, these were sent to me a while ago to do test and review, which I've done on the channel. Now it's my turn to give back to you. So if you want to be in for a chance to win this exact NiceCNC bag, you've got to do three things, as always, with DSR's giveaway. Number one, first and foremost, you've got to subscribe to the channel. You can't be in it to win it unless you are a subscriber. Number two, give this video a like. And lastly is drop a comment below. Let us know, where do you want to start traveling with these bags? And then after 2 weeks, I will finish this giveaway. At the end of those 2 weeks, I will use all the comments to pick one lucky winner. There will be no money exchanged. It is as simple as I will let the winner know by commenting on their comment on this video that they have won these panniers. All they need to do is then email me and we'll get in contact and I'll ship them out free of charge. So it's pretty simple. If you want a chance to win, like, subscribe and comment below. Until the next one, ride safe.